are you guys doing?
Hey, what's going on here?
You doing some kind of stick up here?
I'm one of you, okay? Back
What do
off.
you mean? You're a citizen. Are you impersonating a police officer?
He's got an arrest stick. You're not supposed to have that, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a gun. He's got a Desert Eagle.
What the hell,
I
man?
need you to drop the weapon, sir. Or do you have a permit?
Put it away, man.
My class.
Put it on the ground. No
He's got a
fast
gun, he's got a
movements.
gun.
Oh, jeez, he's out of here.
All I wanted to do was...
God bless you.
All right. Oh God. Ooh. Ooh, your ass is in my
Nice.
face. Oh, I already got it stuck. How the hell did I? I'm. Hey, help! We're stuck.
We require assistance.
I drove on the sidewalk, which evidently I can't do. Ooh, easy does it. I think we're stuck here now. Oh. Oh. Oh, help me. It's so dark. Ouch. Oh. Ow. Ow. Ow, he's fucking shooting me and shit. Ah. Hey, hey. Hey. Give us the car, man. Get out. Don't pull it. Ooh, oh shit. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to
Joining
Thanks to hit.
Ooh, alright.
Ding.
Look out,
Is this your
John.
job?
It's getting a little dangerous over here. Ooh, oh shit!
Ow!
Fuck me, I'm sorry, John! You need to get it off. I'm afraid to handle it.
Yeah, this is proving problematic.
Yeah, it's a scary situation. Oh, fuck! This is a no-flying zone, sir.
See ya.
He's resisting.
He's making a run. He's making a run. Get back here, country boy. Get back here.
Stop him! Ow!
Country boy, get down here.
Get down from there with your wings up! Think you're safe in the safe zone, huh? Just wait till you need to go eat.
Hey, get out of there.
He's got a whole fucking nest in this shit! Oh my fucking god, they're everywhere. Open fire! There's birds everywhere! He turned into a man! What the fuck?
Get the bird.
They've turned me into a bird, John. I'm a bird, John.
Is it a good life? Are you living a happy life?
It's not bad, you know, I
consider
can-
the life of the bird.
I can get around easier. It's kind of nice. You've done it, John!
What the fuck?
You're a bird,
What
John!
the fuck? Woo!
Wow. Pretty cool, John. Pretty cool as a bird.
Yeah, I like your house. This is pretty stylish.
Yeah, my eyes have been quite opened after being bird for 3 minutes. Here it is. My humble
coming.
abode.
Oh, look at this.
Or as I would call it, humble a bird. Oh, Jesus, John. Look at that. Okay, alright, John. Alright, John. Okay, John.
I need your help.
All right, we got you. What you need?
I was raped, gagged, and blindfolded. We gotta go kill the dude that did it.
What was that last part?
Blindfolded.
Blindfolded.
Oh, blind floated.
When you find a dude named Paul.
Oh, jeez! Oh, fuck! Ah!
Fuck, it's a massacre! Let's go. It's the wrong guy again.
He just killed the whole server. We found him. Take him out.
Take him out. Let's do it.
Breach and clear. What the?
That's a bomb.
Go back
I'm
up.
stuck.
Ah! I'll get him, boys. Motherfucker. How could something so Wong be so white? Get it because you're a white guy named Wong? Okay.
Come out with your hands up, please.
Don't be a hero.
Guys, there's a bomb, so watch out.
I've seen Hurt Locker like for 15 minutes. I'll defuse it. Ah! Okay.
I got him, boy.
It's okay. No, no, no.
Oh, ah! Oh boy.
Hop on. Gonna take you for a ride. That doesn't show that you're on. Oh, there you go.
Oh! We did it!
Come here, Wong.
Yeah! We're fucking flying! I'm sitting on a goddamn bird! You may not know it, but this was my only dream in life. Dude, you're like my helicopter.
I'm the wind beneath your wings.
Absolutely.
Or wait, I'm the wings beneath your wind?
You're my bird beneath my ass. Alright, everybody on the ground, bird police! We got a killer in this building. On the ground, bird police! We're gonna hit town. We're gonna swoop in for the attack.
Let's do it. Go out with a bang.
Alright, here we go!
Oh.
Oh wait, shit, wrong guy. Right,
On the
shoot me,
ground,
shoot me,
bird
shoot me.
police! Bird police! Bird police! Bird police! Bird police! Bird police! Oh god, an alien! An alien! Freeze, criminal! Bird police on your ass! John? One floor down, John.
Yeah.
Okay.
John, are you okay up there?
Get back here!
I'll take him from the sky view. Oh, fuck! Ah! Ah! Oh, he's shooting me! Hop on me.
There we go.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! No, please, please!
You motherfucker.